how to make your NFT recording. Hi, we're back here at ATTN.live. You've just finished creating your wallet, which is MetaMask under the Polygon network. So right now, let's dive into your NFT recording. Especially it's your first one, so let's make it a memorable one. Let's start by going to the website again, stream.attention.live. Log in using your email and password. So let's first set up our NFT design here. Click on My Account. You would see NFT design here on the left side. Let's go on New Design, choosing ERC 1155. We're choosing MetaMask for now. Clicking on Next, going for Polygon. So uploaded image, could be JPEGs for now, but here I uploaded the GIF. You can also try. So there, I chose the square, then click on Next. Title and description for me is default test 01 and test 01 here. So no need for the token link, and these are traits, that's up to you. Then click Save NFT. As you can see here on screen, this is the test 01 for 10 minutes for ERC 1155. Then we go click on Go Live, that's on top. Go here again and input the stream title and description. For now, test 01, test 01, my first NFT. Again, toggle the NFT ERC 1155, that's the one in the middle. You would see here the NFT, click on that. That's the one we did earlier, the test 01. See here, it's a MetaMask icon and the Polygon network for 10 minutes. Now make sure your mic is allowed to be used. Usually it would ask, so just click on allow for the microphone to be used. So for now, let's go on, click Start Stream. As you can see, the mic is working here. You could see here the fluctuations of my voice, and the same thing is gonna happen when you use it on your own browser. Stop stream to end this, and congratulations. This is the confirmation screen. You would see the network fee. This is around $0.01 just to mint 10 copies of that NFT we did earlier. Click on confirm, wait for it to finish. Transaction confirmed, that's the message, and you would see there on the activity, there's 0.00 USD, and NFTs will be given here on your MetaMask wallet. Because with Attention.live, owning your content in Web3 has never been this easy. Stream now at Attention.live, follow us at our socials here, and follow this channel for more.